Welcome. Here's a quick look and mini review of this little one-cell LiPo charger. It's the URUAV 6-in-1 Pro charger, exclusively for one-cell lithium batteries, lithium ion, lithium polymer and lithium high volt. Nice small unit. Input is an XT60, but it will take a 2 to a 4S, or you can make up a little harness to take a laptop style DC barrel jack or something. 6 to 20 volts. For me, one of these batteries in the field will keep me flying all day. So you've got your 5 ports on here. It takes pretty much nearly every single type of one cell battery, but just beware that you double check your battery's polarity denoted on each port. For example, the key facing up on the NCPX, negative to the left, which this is correct. It's for a Tiny Hawk. So this is your main screen. Voltage input at the top left, 12.13 volts. USB output voltage. And then this one, top right, is your output current over the USB port. For example, if you daisy chain a charger to it, like I'll probably do with this other charger here. Okay, you've got the 3 buttons on here. Type decrease and increase. So press and hold increase will get you into the system menu. Backlight, self-explanatory, quick press of type. Increase and decrease to manipulate that. To back out, you just press type once and then you can select the next field or item. Voice is just the feedback beep. USB out, don't know why you'd want to turn that off. Your low voltage warning or safety cutout, and then inactivity will turn the screen off for sleeping. So press and hold type, we'll go back to the main page. Decrease, press and hold that, brings you to your battery settings. So a quick press of type will highlight the first LiPo item that you can scroll up and down through. LiPo, lithium polymer, lithium ion, lithium high volt. One press of type will change the field to the charging current that you want. So say I want it at 2C 0.9. Scroll through the fields, press and hold type, it will revert back out. So I'm just going to plug a battery in and show you it charging. And there you go, look. The red flashing battery denotes that it's charging on that port. Then just plop it out. Brilliant. So it's just finished charging my Tiny Hawk battery. There's no indication of beep or anything other than the green battery here stops flashing. So I want to check the accuracy. I know this multimeter is very accurate. So according to the charger it was 4.35 volts exactly. Or wavering 4.34, look. There we go, 4.345. So whichever way you hedge your bets, rounding up on a 5, the charger was bang on accurate. Well, this 6-in-1 1S LiPo charger is absolutely brilliant. As you saw by the accuracy it just showed, bang on, can't ask for more. It's lacking a couple of features that you might get on more advanced chargers, like how many milliamp hours have been put into your battery, or a resistance test or something like that. But hey, it's for brushless whoops or tiny whoops, can't go wrong. Do yourself a favour, if you're thinking about it, do pick one up, especially when they're on offer. They're a steal. Perfect little device to have. Look out for a later video. All these 1S chargers I got kicking about, I'll stack them up against each other and see what's what. Mainly for accuracy, but any questions, always happy to answer them. Catch you later, happy flying. Here, Billy. Hey.